Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So this week we are doing a 4-yard driveway. Pretty small, pretty quick. We should get it ready in a day, pour it the day after that. But stick around for the tear out, the prep, my favorite part, the pour. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe. See you then, guys. Hey guys, there it is. Tear out went quick. There was no rebar. We got a bunch of roots out of there. It's all rebarred in really nice. We tied in a little bit to the garage. There it is, guys. We had to cut a little section of the sidewalk out so we could slope this up, but I don't have to worry about the slope here for sure because water's going that way. So thanks for stopping by, guys. See you tomorrow at the pour. Bye, guys. I mean, it can't be that hard. You'd be surprised who mistakes in my day.
Those high-end houses with all the landscaping, that's where they're making their money.
You know what? I noticed those high-end
arreglando el Porsche.
¿Y a ti sí salió el principales?
Sí, ya yo lo dejé ya. Pues ya bien, ahorita verá, le voy a enseñar las fotos, verá, le tomé fotos porque eso...
Pobre jalecito, pues salió para la...
No, al último lo arreglé. Alcancé a arreglarlo. Es que se metió aguadísimo cuando recién...
Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So the pour went well. We got done with this extremely sloped driveway, but there it is. Pretty straightforward, honestly. Put our joint right on our high point or break. Should break there, hopefully. But everything came out well. Next week we'll be hopefully doing a small sidewalk, another small project, and sealer for a customer from last year. But there it is, guys. What do you think? Nice clean joints, nice clean edges. Looking good, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe. See you then, guys.